In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to calculate retirement date in Microsoft Excel. If you need a quick and reliable way to figure out someone's retirement date based on their date of birth and retirement age, Excel makes this very simple. In this example, we'll assume that cell B2 contains the date of birth and cell C2 contains the retirement age in years. Our goal is to calculate the retirement date in cell D2. To begin, click on cell D2, which is where you want the retirement date to appear. This is the cell that will hold the formula. Once you're selected in D2, type this formula exactly as shown. Equals eDate, open parenthesis, B2, comma C times 12, close parenthesis. Written normally, that formula is equals eDate, then B2, comma C2 multiplied by 12. After entering the formula, press Enter on your keyboard. Excel will instantly calculate the retirement date by taking the birth date in B2 and adding the correct number of months based on the retirement age in C2. If you have more rows of data, you can then drag the formula down to apply it to the rest of the list. This is especially useful when you're working with multiple employees or records and want to calculate all retirement dates at once without retyping the formula each time. Now let's quickly break down how this works so it's easy to understand. B2 refers to the employee's date of birth. C2 refers to the retirement age in years. Because the eDate function works by adding months to a date, we multiply the retirement age by 12 to convert years into months. Then the eDate function adds that total number of months to the birth date, giving you the retirement date. This method is helpful because it's clean, accurate, and much faster than counting years manually. It also reduces the chance of errors, especially when you are managing a larger spreadsheet. One important tip is to make sure the date of birth in column B is actually formatted as a valid date in Excel. If Excel is reading it as text instead of a date, the formula may not return the result you expect. You may also want to format the result in column D as a date, so the retirement date displays clearly. And that's it. With one simple formula, you can quickly calculate retirement dates in Microsoft Excel and fill the results down your worksheet in just a few seconds.